Roger, runway 24. Active runway 24, wind 240 at 7, altimeter 3060. And you can taxi Tango Bravo to the holding bay, runway 24, report holding short.
Tango Bravo holding runway 24, we'll call you fully ready. Egyptair 3323. Yeah, 3330 holding short, fully ready.
Egyptair 330, Roger, so contact Mirabel radio on 1191.
19-1 will be there.
3330, Mirabel radio, Roger, request filter the runway 24. Traffic on the road. Egyptair 3330, you can line up and wait 24. Three 3330, your clearance is valid runway 24. Contact the Montreal departures on 12465 when I work.
switch in Montreal. Have a good day, man. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.
Roger, bye-bye.
Montreal, hello, it's Egyptair 3330 with you off runway 24 Mirabel 2200, sit 9.
Mike, Quebec, correction, Egyptair 3330, Montreal departure, good day, radar contact, top of 16, 16,000.
16,000 on the heading, Egyptair 3330.